So friends, in this video, we're going to share with you 10 simple habits that, if you dedicate just 10 minutes a day to, will boost your brain power, keep you energized throughout the day, help you beat procrastination, and make you feel physically and mentally healthier. Now, you don't have to practice all the habits at once. Just watch this video till the end and pick the ones that suit you best, and let us know in the comments which habits you're going to start following daily. Let's dive in. 1. Drink a glass of water. Did you know that about 70% of our brain is made up of water? After sleeping for 7 to 8 hours without drinking, our body and brain enter a state of dehydration. According to medical research, dehydration can cause brain cells to shrink, making you feel tired, sluggish, or even giving you a headache first thing in the morning. The best thing you can do? As soon as you wake up, drink 1 or 2 glasses of water on an empty stomach. It kickstarts your metabolism and helps flush out toxins. Bonus tip: you can store water overnight in a copper vessel and drink it in the morning for even more health benefits, but only if it suits you. Otherwise, regular water works just fine. Just remember to drink it slowly and calmly. 2. Make your bed, Admiral. William H. McRaven famously said, "If you want to change the world, start by making your bed." This simple habit sends a strong psychological message to your brain. You've successfully completed the first task of the day. This early win builds momentum, making it easier to tackle the rest of your day. That's why even military training emphasizes making your bed first thing in the morning. 3. Listen to music. Did you know your choice of music can actually reflect your personality? And that just a few minutes of listening to certain types of music can set the tone for your entire day. If you start your day with 10 minutes of positive, soothing, or instrumental music, it can lift your mood and boost motivation. Try to avoid loud, chaotic rock music in the morning. Save that for later if you like. 4. Read something inspiring. If you want to start your day feeling positive and motivated, spend 10 minutes reading something inspiring, like success stories, motivational quotes, or uplifting articles. You don't need to spend an hour reading. Just 10 minutes is enough. 1 book recommendation: Bottle of Strangers, Drivers and Words by Dr. Robert Schiller. It has short, powerful stories you can easily finish in a few pages each day. Practice. Deep breathing meditation might feel challenging for many, but deep breathing is easy and incredibly effective. Spend 10 minutes each morning practicing deep breathing. It can help you feel calmer, reduce stress and anxiety, improve concentration, and boost your energy levels. You can find simple breathing exercises online to get started. 6. Stretch your body. According to orthopedic surgeons, even a short session of stretching can significantly reduce your chances of injury, relax your muscles, ease body pain, regulate blood pressure, and increase oxygen flow to your brain. If you often feel stiff or tired during the day, try stretching for just 10 minutes every morning. Focus on stretching every major part of your body, and you'll feel more flexible and energized all day long. 7. Get some sunlight. Just like plants, humans need sunlight too. Spending a few minutes in the sun helps your body produce vitamin D and increases the production of serotonin, the happy hormone, in your brain, which stabilizes your mood and improves cognitive functions. If you're stuck indoors most of the day, make it a priority to step outside for 10 minutes each morning. It can help protect your mental health and even reduce the risk of depression. 8. Take a cold shower. If the weather isn't too chilly, a cold shower can be an amazing energy booster. Cold showers not only wake you up instantly, but also help clear your mind and stimulate the production of white blood cells, which strengthen your immune system. Many of the world's most productive people swear by cold showers to stay energized and mentally sharp. 9. Plan your day. If you want your day to go the way you envision it, daily planning is a must. Spend 10 minutes each morning, or even the night before, writing down your to-do list on paper, not on your phone. Distractions, you know. Having a clear, written plan keeps your brain organized and gives you a sense of satisfaction as you check off completed tasks throughout the day. Spend 10 minutes each morning, or even the night before, writing down your to-do list on paper, not on your phone. Distractions, you know. Having a clear, written plan keeps your brain organized and gives you a sense of satisfaction as you check off completed tasks throughout the day. That's it. Which of these habits are you excited to start? Let us know.